Hi, we're Derek and Jonathan.
What was I supposed to say?
And this is Gateway Arch National Park. Oh my gosh. Hi, we're Derek and Jonathan.
And this?
And this is Gateway Arch National Park.
Why would you say it that way?
What would you say? And
Welcome to Gateway Arch National
Ready,
Park.
set, 3, 2. Hi, we're Derek and Jonathan.
Welcome to Gateway Arch National Park.
Gateway Arch was designated a national park in 2018, but it's been an iconic symbol of St. Louis, Missouri long before that.
That's right. Construction of the arch was completed in 1965 to commemorate Westward expansion, which is why the arch is known as the Gateway to the West.
In case it wasn't obvious, this national park is less about the scenery and more about the historical importance of St. Louis.
We set up our RV for the week at Casino Queen RV Park, just across the river from the arch.
You all have asked for more RV content, so here you go. This is our typical setup process.
We start by leveling the rig left to right.
Then we unhook it from the truck before leveling front to back.
Next, we put our stabilizers down so we don't wobble all over the place and hook up our electricity and fresh water.
It's sewer times. Alright, we're all connected. Got our Starlink going. And last, but not least, this little guy. Buddy, we're home again. The city of St. Louis totally surprised us. It has this small town feel, but there's so much to do.
Everything was super walkable, especially downtown near the Arch and the Cardinal Stadium.
We loved how easy it was to explore. Plus, we had some incredible food and barbecue while we were here. Probably should have recorded this before we ate it all, but we're at Salt and Smoke, and if you're in town, it's a really good spot to grab some barbecue.
Gateway Arch is the smallest national park in the country. It includes the Arch,
the surrounding grounds, which used to be the original downtown area,
and the Old Courthouse, home of the famous Dred Scott case.
It's more like a city park with the museum and a carnival right at the end, but we'll get to that. Here it is. Mother Nature's very own spectacle.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. That is actually really cool. You see the little tiny windows up at the top. The museum is really a giant American history exhibit, and given our American public education, it's all very familiar. That's the United States. That's Jonathan. That's St. Louis. And this is the inside of the Gateway Arch Museum.
Which is free for everyone.
Just have to go through a security checkpoint. You can bring in your coffee, which is great. And we're going to go learn about the Arch and the gateway to the Midwest. And it looks like we're going to start by playing the Oregon Trail. Your sister died of cholera. When I say museum, I mean museum. They took that national park funding to use and built this giant museum out of it. It's the real live Oregon Trail.
This particular exhibit caught our attention because it's not the version of American history we remember from school.
We gotta go to the top of the arch. To get to the top, you'll need to purchase tickets in advance.
We recommend booking them online, especially if you're visiting during a busy time.
You'll select your time slot, and once you arrive, you get in one of these tiny hamster ball pods that fit only 5 people.
It takes about 4 minutes to reach the top, and it's a trippy ride.
Each wears all potatoes. Can't sit up straight. Once you're there, be prepared for great views and a lot of people and noise. You can't even go to the mountain.
This is the middle.
Oh, buddy. Why did you jump down without me?
There's a baseball game going on.
Our RV is parked right there. How was this experience?
This is ridiculous. Look at this. We are crouched over here looking out this tiny window. Look at this. Look at what I'm doing right now. This is the most degrading thing ever. I'm in public here and I'm leaning over.
Why are the windows so small?
I don't know why they're so small.
Look, you can see the shadow at the bottom.
That's crazy. That is pretty cool.
From up here, you can even see the base of the arch.
Absolutely crazy.
So we went up the tram, came back down, now we're walking around the park itself. From down here, we captured every angle of the arch you can think of.
It really was fun to take pictures here, but it's kind of the only feature worth taking pictures of in this park.
How many different angles of the arch can you get? We're montaging.
Montage, fill. This whole episode is going to be B-roll, apologies. Hope you enjoy the music in the background.
Smallest national park.
Worst.
Worst? Smallest?
Both? Both.
Why does the sidewalk end?
The sidewalk ends right here.
Where do you go now? Why would they have this here?